What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Josiah here, and I'm back with another video. Listen, today is gonna be a very insightful video. I'm gonna tell you how Donald Trump could potentially help you with your financial endeavors, boost the stock market. It could be a great plan after all. I want to talk about a topic that I believe can empower young black men to take control of their financial future. With Donald Trump potentially being back in office, I want to dive into how his policies could affect the stock market. And I also want to talk about why it might be the right time to invest right now. Let's talk about some stocks with huge growth potential. All right, now listen, love or hate Donald Trump presidency. His presidency historically impacted the economy, the stock market, with his pro-business stance, less regulation, tax incentives. A Trump presidency could grab growth into our current economy. I'll break down why this could mean good news for you and how investors can make the most of it. Now let's get to some specific stocks. First, NVIDIA, which leads AI. And there's SCHD. It's a solid dividend ETF. It's reliable. And SOFI, which is also great. It's a game changer. I talked about SOFI. I got the video somewhere. Look at that video. It tells you everything about SOFI, and that's the first stock you need to add in your portfolio. Now we'll get into SPLG. It's another ETF. It tracks the S&P 500. Need your money in the S&P 500 so you can tap into the overall market. Because these conditions is about to it's going up, right? It's going up. These are some of the stocks in my own portfolio where I've seen very good growth. I'll share my results on how I'm building a path to financial freedom. Hopefully this inspires you to look into some of these options, start investing, build wealth for yourself and for your family. These are some of the stocks that I got in my portfolio in which I've seen specific, significant growth on. All right, so I'm gonna turn on my screen record and we're gonna get into the portfolio. As you can see, this is what my portfolio is currently looking like right now. I'm up on the day 1%. As long as I get at least 1 to 3% per day on my portfolio, I'm good. Listen, so in my investment account, my Webull account, I have $2,157. Since I had this account, hold on. My total PL, I'm almost up $400. Open PL. Now I'm almost up $400, 22%. You cannot beat that. Listen. So we will get into some of my stocks. I'm gonna talk about two stocks in this video. Number one, we already went on SOFI. As you can see, I have 53 shares of SOFI. I was getting my SOFI shares at an average price of $12. Right now, the price is. I'm on the wrong stock. Right now, the price of SOFI is $12. So I just been buying it up, right? So I got about 53 shares. Now I do have 2 investment accounts. We will get into my Fidelity account in a minute, but I just want to give y'all a quick overview of these stocks. I'm gonna go through all of these stocks. I'll create a video on why you should put your money in these 5 stocks, because if I see the future in them, I think it would be great if I let you know. I have TQQQ. Right, I started buying TQQQ. We just gonna go over a few of these stocks. We're not gonna get too much in the portfolio, but as you can see, I've got about 8 shares. Cheapest price I bought it at was $60 a share. As of right now, you can get it for $82 a share. And I started buying TQQQ in August. So as you can see, in maybe about 2 months, it's November. In about 2 months, I'm up 24%. Right, in 2 months. Imagine you put way more money than I put in, as much as you can afford. Imagine how much you'll be up if you got 24%. Imagine you got $5,000, right? You up 24%, like $5,000. Listen, and we will also talk about NVIDIA. I only own 3 shares of NVIDIA. I did not get into NVIDIA early at all. I bought NVIDIA after the stock split, right? So I started buying NVIDIA basically in August also. Now, this is a small investment account for me. So I got $2,100, almost up $400 on the account, right? Now, I only put $100 per week into this account. So if you do the calculations, I put about $1,600 in this account so far. So 16 weeks, $100 each week been going in this account. And in 16 weeks, all right, so we're in the Fidelity account, and as you can see, we finally hit $8,000, right? As of today, let's see how much money I have currently made. We're gonna go down to all. So as of today in the Fidelity account, we currently have I made $65 today just from breathing, existing. In my Fidelity account, I have a 401k and a Roth IRA. I will only get it if you know, I just got a job. That's the only reason I have it. It's free money. Why not take advantage of it? Let that money sit, invest, save it, do whatever you want. But it's growing while you sleep. So please take advantage of all your stock options, tax options, whatever you can do to make extra money. Take advantage of that. Grand total on this account, I'm up $500, almost $600, almost $600. I wanted to go to the percentage. I'm up 0.83%. Now, if an $8,000 account can at least aim 1% per day, that's at least around $100 or more so dollars you're making per day. So that's about $500 per day. All right, so I'm gonna try to block the rest of the screen, but as you can see, I have a total of $10,000 invested into the stock market, working for me, making money in my sleep. And as of this month, I'm already up $2,000 on the investment accounts, total together between stocks and crypto. Now, I didn't even get into the crypto, basically because I don't invest in crypto currently. So I do own crypto, but it's literally there. I'm not touching it. I'm not adding to it. It's just not my thing as of right now. But $10,000, like I said, so all you need, once you have around $10,000 in your bank account, once you have about $10,000 invested and your money is going 1% a day, yeah, that's about $100 per day, $500 per week. And how much per year? Someone do the math and drop it in the comments. How you can start growing wealth and assets in your sleep. And like I said, with Trump being in the White House, how the market will begin to turn. The market will begin to grow faster than it has ever grown before. So let's get invested, let's build wealth, and let's make some smart moves. Drop a comment. I want to know your thoughts on Donald Trump being president. I want to know your thoughts on what he could do for the market. And if you got any insights, let me know. Let me know if you got a hot stock I should talk about or I should look out for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Let's get it.